Hello, again. I'll take an extra Omega Extreme sized espresso with 3 espresso on the side please.
You get that every day. I like me a man who can handle his caffeine. You come all the time, and I never learned your name.
Why, my name is Ladashasan Laki Fonti SH Ra the 22nd. That is a standard name in Serbia. Though I may not look like it, I'm from Atlanta, Atlantic Ocean.
Oh, that turned me off. Wanna get together? I'm more sensual turned off. By the way, my name is Matilde. I am the forgotten sister of Angelina Jolie. It is quite tragic.
Red leather, yellow leather. 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 Red leather, yellow leather.
That's so attractive. Do you like Key $? Ha? I'm really good at singing. Do you want to hear?
No, I'd rather not.
DJ, turn it up. It's about that time to live it up. I'm so sick of being so serious, it's making my brain delirious. I'm just talking truth.
Shut up. Shut up. Your lips are big and you have ugly eyes. Your singing breaks my ears and I want to hang you in a burning building. Will you marry me? All of you.
I thought you'd never ask. Here is your caffeine heart attack special. I'll call you tonight. I have all your info from Facebook stalking. By the way, I killed your girlfriend.